Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the D3D compiler _43.d LL missing error that usually appears when starting a game on Windows. First, close the game and any launchers that are running. This error is often caused by a missing DirectX file, so we will start with the official fix from Microsoft. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft website. Search for DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Make sure the page is from Microsoft. Download the installer to your computer. When the download is finished, install it. This will fix the missing DLL files error. If the game still shows the same error, you can try a manual fix. Search online for the DLL file from a trusted website. Download the zip file that contains the DLL. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract. You will see the file inside. Now open the folder where your game is installed. This is usually inside Program Files or inside your Steam or Epic Games library. Find the main game folder where the game executable file is located. Copy the DLL file and paste it directly into this folder. After copying the file, close the folder and start the game again. In most cases, the error will be gone and the game will run normally. Thanks for watching.